Hi guys, today we talk about how to turn off sound effects notifications on your Voice app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So that is going to show for your list like this. Then all you have to do, you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down, you could going down here, then you come here to sound effects notifications, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's mean sound effects notifications some off now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.